Hi, welcome back. Our third type of example dealing with translations is we're going to be writing a rule describing the translation below. So if you look here, we've got our pre-image and then we've got our new image that it created, and we want to describe the translation. So we write a rule based on that. So you've got your original coordinate, and then what are we doing to get the new coordinate? So you always want to look for the horizontal change first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count how many units I'm moving over to get to that point D, and then I'm going to count how many units I'm going up to get to D prime. So we start off with D. It looks like it's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the right. So I'm going to write my new coordinate will be x plus 7. Since I'm going to the right, it's plus 7. And then from that point, we count up 1, 2, 3, 4. So since I'm going up, it's going to be y plus 4. So then that will describe the translation. Be careful that you always go from the original, the one without the little prime, the little apostrophes on there, go from this shape to the one with the apostrophes on there. That's like a common error is people go, when they write it down, they go from this shape to this shape. But remember, it's always the pre-image going to the image. So here it's like M. We want to see what am I doing to M to get M prime. Notice how I'm going to the left this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Since I'm going to the left, I'm going to make it x minus 4. Whenever you go to the left, you subtract. That's a 4. And then from that value, it looks like we're going up 2, so I'm still going to make it plus 2. Y plus 2. If it was going down, then it would be minus. Notice how you didn't really just have to focus on one point, but you could do this with any point here. You could do it with n. It's going to be the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, up 2. To the left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up 2. No matter what, you get the same shape. It's just we're now making a rule that describes that translation. So going to the left 4 and then up 2. And then we've got one more type of example to go over, and I'll do that in another video.